Welcome. Please, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome you to the class. Today will be special because we'll be looking at how to build a WordPress website for anybody, for yourself, for anyone around the world. Um, the reason why we'll be doing the website we'll be using to build our website is called Pantheon.io. Pantheon.io will help us to build our WordPress website, launch it, and host it for free. And it's not totally free because the URL is not will not be perfectly the way you want it. So it's instead of it to be like Emmanuel agency.com, it's instead of .com it would have a very long URL. So let's just go to the website pantheon.io. Okay, this is it right here. So we click. So when you get to this home page, some of you will need to click on start free so that you can register with your Google account. I would advise you to use a Google account and then walk into the dashboard. But I'll be using the login, so the procedures for registering is not that difficult. All right, so when I click on login, it will bring me right here, and I will click on create new. But for some of you, you will need to migrate to site. Click on this site. Aha, and then it will ask you to import a site or create a new site. You need to click on create a new site. Create a new site. So click on it. And here it will ask you to choose which of the CMS you want to use. CMS means content management system. So you click on WordPress, and then to bring you to another dashboard where you will need to select your username, the name of your website, rather, name of your Pantheon site. So you call it, let's say, Medulla Agency. Maybe you're running an agency website where, and please, you cannot edit this. You cannot edit this, so leave it just the way it is. Just put your agency, your website name here. The website name could be anything. It could be Facebook, could be anything, but just make it unique. So I'll be calling it mine Ebola agency. So I'll leave it at United States, and then click on continue. It'll take a while for it to install some few things because right now it's installing WordPress. Remember, WordPress is the tool we are going to be using to design the website. So to install WordPress on this website, on this Pantheon.io website, then after it's installed WordPress, they will carry on from there.
It's 3 o'clock.
So our website, so it's complete. So we're going to click on visit Pantheon site dashboard. We're going to click on it. So when we get to this part of the site, we're going to click on site admin. Let's look at it very well. Site admin. This is where we're going to click on. So it will ask us for the language you want to use. I would prefer, because I'm in Nigeria, I will choose this English UK and then click on continue. And then here is what you need to be careful in doing. Your site name could be, yes, my site name is Nebula Agency, and then my username could be admin. Yours could be your name. Your name could be your username, so it's fine. But I like using admin because it captures the who is editing the website. It gives me the name that fits me, because I am the only one who's designing the website. All right, so I'm going to put my password right here. All right, I'll confirm for you to use it, and then I'll put my email here. Then I click on install WordPress. Install WordPress. That's what I'll click on. Install WordPress. Your site name, you can put space, it doesn't matter. And then install WordPress. This will take a little time. So be patient with it, save it, and then click on login. Now, very good. So now it will automatically add in my username and password. Why? Because I saved it on my browser. And make sure you remember your password. All right, so click on login. Good. So it will bring you down to this place. This is your dashboard. It's also called backend. So backend is where your website is built, while your front end is where the user will see, anybody will see when they visit your website. The page you see when Facebook opens is the home page. That's Facebook user page or front page. So where they design the website from is called backend, and this is where we engineer everything from. So the first thing we want to do is to install something called a theme. Right now, our website has a default theme. And let me show you the default theme. When you click here, appearance, you see theme, click on it. It will give you a default theme called Active 2023 theme. If you click on theme details, you see the name of the theme here. But it's not fine. Why did I say it's not fine? I'll show you the website that's built for us. So click on, don't click, just hover over visit website, double tap, and then click on open in a new site, new tab. Then you can see the way our site looks. It's not fine. It's not what we want. So we're going to use a different theme called uh, click on themes. Then we're going to click on add new. We're going to use a beautiful theme called Astra. It makes our life easier. So click on install. After you're done installing, we are going to now click on activate. It's important we activate it. And the next thing you want to now do is to install starter template. Starter template helps you to, it gives you templates that makes your life easy to edit, make your work fast. In 2 days, you can be done with building a website. What will remain is just to add some text, and in a day, I said in an hour, you are done building a website. In an hour or less, or maybe 30 minutes. With this template, within 30 minutes, you are done building a website. But that's why we have to activate it. When we're done activating it, to take us to this place where we'll be using Elementor. Elementor is a very easy tool to use. This is good. This is also good. We are using Elementor for today. So we'll click on Elementor, and it will bring down all the templates necessary for us. Remember, I'm building an agency website. If you are building an e-commerce website, for instance, look at it, e-commerce, online shop, clothing store, jewelry, you can do any of this. If you are building a portfolio website, this is what you will do. This is where you will click. But I'm doing an agency website for this course. I will do many of these sample websites in another video. But let's look at agency website for now, so you get the basics of how to design a website. So it will bring out some of these template here. This is this is what I want, and it has brought out a lot of templates. This template helps me to design my website easily. So when you see premium, it means it's not for free. But this first one, second one, and third one is for free. Anyone you see premium is not for free. So I'm going to use one. I think this is very nice. I also think this is very nice. So let's use this one. They are asking us to upload a logo right here. We'll do that later on. This is the beautiful website that they gave us, and we can see this is good. So we'll click on skip and continue. Leave the colors the way they are because they are nice. You can choose any color of your choice. You can choose this, you can choose this, you can choose any of this, but I prefer the default colors. So I'll click on, and you can change the font, the font, the font, the font family. You can change it right here, but I like it the way it is. So I'll click on that and then click on submit and build my site. So you wait for it to install some of the themes, the plugins, and also the forms. It will also add free images for you, because you can see that it's a template, and template must come with images and all that. But you can delete the images later on. Even the posts and the menu and the pages, you can delete them later on. But for now, let's just wait for it to load to finish installing these things. Congratulations, your site is ready. So we click on view your website. So this is our website. It's not perfect. We're going to add more things to it. So this is where the our in our next video, I'll show you how to edit everything right here. All right. So I see you in the next video.